Guys, I'm in my kitchen because this is just, first of all, I live in a 575 square foot apartment, so my whole apartment is my kitchen. Hey guys, welcome to DIY Dalia. Today I'm going to share with you my all-time favorite nail hack I have ever learned. And that is how to remove shellac, gel polish, and fake nails in a matter of minutes. So today I'm going to teach you the all-time best nail hack you are ever going to learn, or at least my favorite nail hack, which has changed my life since I learned it about a year ago. To be fully transparent, I did learn this off of another YouTuber. I tried to find her channel, I couldn't. If I can find it by the time that I posted it, I will link her down below and give her a shout out. This is the best nail hack because it just made me want to do my nails and not really fear that like taking off process of the nails. Like that removal process really was a deterrent for me. And now that it's so fast, I do my nails all the time. Not just doing my nails, but I do fake nails all the time. Because fake nails, the normal way of removing them if you do them yourself takes forever, can take like 20 minutes. This is a hack that's gonna take you 3 minutes to remove them. And it is so awesome. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. I think you're gonna like it. Okay guys, so you have your hot water here. You have your Ziploc bag. You're gonna take your acetone, pour a little bit of the acetone into this baggie. So, don't know if you can see that, but just kind of like, just enough. It actually is less than you think it's gonna be. And I'm just gonna close that back up. Now, this is seriously the easy part here. You're just gonna soak your fingers in the acetone in this little baggie. So even though it didn't seem like you poured very much acetone, it really is enough. When you put the baggie in the water, kind of pushes all the acetone to the top and just makes it form really well around your fingers. So now I'm just gonna leave this for a couple minutes. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's already starting to like come off right here on this one finger. And basically what I do is I'll take my other fingers and just kind of wipe the top of the fingernail off a little bit, and that really speeds it up as well because it just kind of helps the acetone reach the layers that are underneath. So I'm just kind of doing that as I go along. That's why my fingers are kind of moving around. So it's already fully off of a couple fingers, as you can see there. So I'm just working on the other ones now. And I'm now gonna take it out because it looks like it's all off. And I'm just dipping it into the water. Now the clear water, so I don't get acetone everywhere. And voila, my fake nails are off. Can you believe that? Look at this. Gone. And it's literally been like 3 minutes. So now to dispose of this, I just simply zip it up and throw it in the garbage. So you can go from nails like this, fake nails, to this in just 3 minutes flat. It's amazing. Hope you guys liked that video. Hope you learned something cool. Listen, if you watched this video and you didn't know this before, you did learn something cool. Okay? It is cool. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video below. And if you tried this out for yourself and it worked, which it obviously will work because I've tried it out so many times, leave a comment down below and let me know how it went. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon.